This method can help determine pollination requirements in fruit tree species and establish incompatibility relationships between cultivars.
The main advantage of this approach is that it allows evaluating self-incompatibility under laboratory conditions, avoiding erroneous diagnoses that can occur in experiments performed under field conditions.
sRNase allele identification allows the allocation of a number of cultivars to the corresponding incompatibility groups, determining the incompatibility relationship between cultivars.
This approach can also be useful to determine self-incompatibility and incompatibility relationships in other fruit tree crops, like cherry or plum.
Begin by sampling the flowers in the field. Collect the flowers at balloon stage, which corresponds to stage 58 on the BBCH scale for apricot, to avoid previous pollination. In the laboratory, remove the anthers of the flowers and place them on a piece of paper to dry at room temperature. After 24 hours, sieve the pollen grains with a fine 0.26 mm mesh. Emasculate a group of 30 flowers at the same balloon developmental stage for each self and cross pollination, and place the pistils on fluorescent foam in water. 24 hours after emasculation, hand-pollinate the pistils using a paintbrush with pollen from flowers of the same cultivar. Pollinate another set of pistils of each cultivar with pollen from flowers of a compatible pollinizer as control. After 72 hours, remove the pistils from the wet fluorescent foam and fix the pistils in a fixative solution of 3:1 ethanol to acetic acid for at least 24 hours at 4 degrees Celsius.